All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. I guarantee you I will. Okay, today I'm in a 2019 BMW X3, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake. Okay, so I'm sitting in the vehicle behind the steering wheel, as you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the center of the vehicle. Do you see this right here? All right, my vehicle's in park already, and to turn on the parking brake, all I'm going to do is take this right here, put my finger inside, and then pull up a little bit, and you see that light comes on just like that. It blinks on. Can you see it? The red light, that's indicator that the parking light or parking brake is on. And as if you look up on the instrument panel, you see that it shows parking brake. Okay, park, right? That's indicator that the parking brake is on. Now to turn it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foot, press on the brake, and then come back over here, and then I'm just going to press this, and it turns off just like that. Let me know if you have any questions.